Powerful Platforms Bundle. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creator Beat, and welcome to our channel where we show you how to make money online with low content products like KDP, low content books, printables, and digital planners. So Powerful Platform Bundles is brought to you by Bundle Bash, and this particular sale starts on August the 5th, 2022 and ends on August 14th. So you get your hands on a number of courses and masterclasses and workshop, all for $47. This is worth over $2,500. There's a number of training from different people. There's WordPress trainings, there's how to use Kartra, Kajabi, Podia, Shopify, Squarespace, Etsy, Amember, and I've also done a training course on how to use Affinity Publisher as well. So there's things about Instagram and Facebook ads and using ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Canva, and like we say again, Affinity is there as well. Trello, ClickUp, anything to make your business run online. We always need loads of platforms and programs. I personally use Amember and WordPress. Other people use like Kartra, which is all built in one. So like this is a training on Kartra. It's worth $997. It's about your email list and you're building your funnels. Then there's this one about audience growth toolkit. This is to help you set up maybe a podcast and then grow your audience as well as using lead magnets. Then there's this Amember Pro Kickstart course. I've actually gone through this one and it helped me actually set up my Amember account. And then there's some Canva power tips to help you create content marketing materials. So Canva is very popular. A lot of people use it. I like Canva. I use it along with other products like Affinity. So this is really good. She teaches some really great courses. And then Asana, again, another business managing tool. Do what's next, Asana. I personally haven't used Asana, so I don't really know much about it. So this is Ruthie Bauer's one, building your first list with ConvertKit. It is a live workshop. These are great. She answers all your questions as you go along. Then there's the Squarespace workshop, strategy workshop. Lots of people don't want to build their own website from scratch, so Squarespace is a great alternative. Planning your templates for ClickUp and Trello. Trello, I use it not as often as I should, but I have been using it and it has kept me on track with a lot of things. And then this is an excellent course here about selling your digital products on Shopify. Remember, we have got more options to sell printables and digital planners and all different sorts of products. So we've got Etsy, Shopify, your own website, Teachers Pay Teachers. This is just a great training course with that. A complete guide to Instagram for business. Instagram is just another great social media platform that can help you drive more business your way. Then there's 30 days of Instagram content. Author and authority media and PR kit, which is great to help us in the low content and no content niche to grow our business. Definitely one for us to get. Great tech choices masterclass. Autumn product trailer video templates, so they can help. This is my one, how to easily create data planners in Affinity Publisher using automation. Automate your business with Zapier. And then this is write words and make money, how to use the power of words. So basically copywriting and stuff like that. Ultimate Facebook ads, WordPress skills as well. If you're setting up your own website on WordPress, how to make a community all in one website. Again, that looks like WordPress as well. Printable Biz and passive income learning course as well. So Printable Biz. Podia, Pronto. So Podia is a training course and things like that. So these are all helpful. These are all what you get for $47. Yes, in order to see all of these, you will have to no doubt register on their membership platforms, which also then sends you to their newsletters and emails. But again, you can always unsubscribe if they are not the right fit for you. Often you'll learn some great things from some great new people that you've probably not heard of before. This is a great bundle and it's very helpful if you want to go on and expand your learning online and creating an income online and learning about the different platforms out there that you can use to help you grow your business. So the link will be down in the description. Go out and check it. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified about any other videos I make. I make videos that show you how to go about creating your low content products, whether it's in Canva or Affinity or in PowerPoint. And you can go out and check some of my other training videos.